Okay, so to go over your categories, if you are currently not using the inbox cleanup system, this is how your Gmail will look. It will have different tabs up in the top column here that basically Gmail sets up what types of items it thinks should go in these columns. So primary will be anything that is emailed to you from a friend or something like that. Social will be anything from Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, any of those. Promotions would be anything it thinks are trying to sell you something. Updates, I'm not sure how it categorizes the difference between promotions and updates, kind of the same thing. Forms would be anything that you have with groups, which I don't think I've ever gotten anything in the form column. But this is how your inbox with Gmail would have been set up prior to the inbox cleanup method. And you can still have your inbox without the categories and without the way that I set it up for you in inbox cleanup. So if it's something that you want to go ahead and change, it's very simple to do so. You're going to go over to settings, hit that setting or hit the gear and then hit settings, and you're going to go into inbox. And you can change your inbox type and you can remove the categories. Removing the categories basically makes everything go in your inbox. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to uncheck all of these and I'm going to hit save. And then it pops us right back and you'll notice that all of our emails now are in one column. There are no more tabs along the top anymore. However, if you click over here to the bottom left on the More tab, you'll be able to go down and find your categories. So they still have them separated for you if you were to click on like promotions. All of these emails here, Gmail's considering they would be in your promotions category, and the categories still live on, they're not gone. If you go back to your inbox, you'll notice everything is still here. And let's see, if we click on Emma Email Marketing, none of these actually show that they're labeled for the categories, but they are. It's just something that you don't really need. And if you even wanted to remove this from here, you can go ahead and click on Manage Labels and you can hide all of your categories, which actually these are all hidden. That's why they're underneath the line. So anything that's under the line, so where it says more labels, all of this is hidden basically in Gmail's terms. And that's it. That's how you've gotten rid of all of those categories that you didn't need in the first place. And now you can see all of your emails. Let me know if you have any questions about this or if you want to turn your categories back on. All you have to do is the simple process of going back and going to inbox and turning on all these check marks. You could also go in and play with your inbox type of what you want to see first, unread first, and then everything else, and hit Save Changes. It'll take it a moment to think about it. And now it's divided your inbox up into everything that's unread on top and everything else. You can go back and play with it more if it's something that you want to change or you don't like how other things look or pan out, you can go ahead and do that. But if you have any questions while you're doing any of these changes, please let me know. Or if you're worried that you broke something, give me a holler and I'll help you out.